Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to edit an image from this to this using Google Snapseed. So we have our app opened. Click on the plus sign to add an image. Select your image, and then now we have our image. Then on the tools menu, click on the tools menu and then tune image. Reduce the brightness of the image a little bit. Reduce it a little bit. Press OK. And then again to the curves. Use the curves and then reduce the brightness again a little bit. That's okay. Then select red to add a reddish effect to the image. That's okay. Select blue, add a bluish effect to the image. Adjust it. Adjust. Red again. That's okay. So the next thing is click on the tools menu again and then double exposure to add our sky. Select the image and then add the opacity to 100. That's cool. Then click on the icon on the top and then view edits. Click on double exposure and then click on the stack brush. Then use the brush to paint across the image to reveal the sky or the stars. So our image look better now. Paint on the sides of the hat to reduce the excess light on the cap. That's okay. Then click on the curves again to adjust the color of the image, of the original image. Adjust it again to make it more bluish, to rhyme with the sky. Yeah, I think that's okay. Then click on the double exposure again to reveal our stars. That's cool. The next thing is to add lightning. To do that, click on the double exposure, select the image with the lightning, then adjust it. That's okay. Then go to view edits, then click on the stack brush, click on this icon to reveal it, and then with the double exposure at 0, then clean where the lightning affected the stairs. That's okay. The next thing is to add brightness to the image so that we have reflections. Add the brightness to 100. Add the contrast again a little bit. That's okay. Then go to view edits, click on the stack brush, and then paint on the man to give a reflection of the lightning on his body. So here we go. Then also add some light to the woods, adjust it. And then also to the floor, add some light. Increase the tune and then add some light to the floor. But before then, adjust also the reflections of the lightning on the water. So that's okay, and that's the final image we have. So you can tap on the screen to see the difference of the image and the edited one. Save your picture, and that's all. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and also comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you.